Today I am sharing chia seeds pudding for healthy nutrition for weight loss. Let's get started. Low-fat milk, 200 ml. Don't forget subscribe to my YouTube channel. Chia seeds, 1½ tablespoon. Chopped almonds, 1 tablespoon. Mix it well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with friends and family. Cover and refrigerate for overnight or 3 to 4 hours. Like, share, and subscribe. After 4 hours. Mix it and enjoy your healthy meal. It's ready. Garnish with almonds and pistachios or add any of your favorite fruits.